Act Like It's Your Boy Business, and I just stole some projector lights from my boy Dizzle. So Dizzle got a Charger Scatpack, and he was supposed to order projector lights that shoot out the little Scatpack beads to the ground, have them looking real saucy. But he ordered for 2 doors, and then he ordered the wrong stuff and ended up ordering for a Challenger, which worked out for me. So I took them, hijacked them, and I'm about to install them on my car. We're gonna see what them bad boys look like. And yeah, man, it ain't much to it, man. Hopefully he don't want smoke. We're gonna have to go there, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. I'm taking these joints. So stay tuned, we finna put them on. I'm gonna show y'all the install and all that type of stuff. Yeah, gang shit. Alright. Okay, so I'm cracking these bad boys open right now. That's what it looked like. You know what I'm saying? Ghost shadow lights. Hopefully these things is dope, man. Okay. Alright, hopefully this thing is recording what I'm doing. Hopefully. I think it is. So we gonna pop this bad boy right here. Oh. At least I thought it's gonna pop out.
You got a flathead or is that a screwdriver?
No, it's a flathead screwdriver. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, I was to say, it's pretty easy.
There go one. Alright. Oh, they give us a whole. Okay. Bust this bad boy open. Give you 2 of them in that thing. So we got 2 go on both sides. Hopefully it don't matter which one is which. Okay. So we gonna snatch this loose. Damn, that thing hot. Oh shit. Boy.
You want to leave the door open that long?
Yeah, I see. Hey, so be careful doing this shit. I see, there we go. These motherfuckers is hot. These are hot as hell. Damn, I burnt my fingertips. Okay, I see it. Make sure that's all the way in. See, it's blinking on and off though. Hopefully you don't do that too much. Okay.
Probably just do a go off and block it or something.
No, it's like a little, almost shortening the cable. It's not, you know, snap pushed all the way in. It's, but let's see. All right, that's one. Okay. So that's one. That's pretty much how you do it. So we're gonna do the other side and then see what's smoking. Again, make sure you be careful because I didn't realize how hot the light gets. So, all right, hopefully slamming the door on and off don't cut them off. All right. Alright, so I just put that bad boy in, man. We gonna see what it look like in the dark. Hopefully I might be able to close my garage up and give y'all a little representation. Or otherwise I'm gonna have to wait till later on tonight, which I still might give y'all some footage later on tonight. So we gonna see what happens. Stay tuned. Check that out right there, y'all. Fire. Look at the detail in that bad boy. That go crazy. So that's what that thing look like, man. It ain't even pitch dark in here, but that look good. That looks good. Scatpack. Huh? Yuck. Nasty. Yeah, that look fire. So when the door open, that's what you get. Hey, Bankhead, can you close the door? Okay, open the door. You see it. Something minor, something easy. Yeah, man, must. Okay, so here's the finished result of what it looked like when the door is open. Fire. Absolutely fire. That's the passenger side. And this is the driver's side. Fire. So dope. Yeah, man, that about sums it up. If you like this little situation, let me know what's up, man. I like it, you know what I mean? Real cheap little mod to throw on your doors. You pull up, nighttime. They don't really know what it is, but them doors pop open, they see what's shaking, you feel me? I mean, when you pull it like this, though, they gonna really know what it is. But when them doors come open, it's like, it's like that extra little, the extra little seasoning on that thing, you hear me? So that's how we trying to make it move, you understand me? So yeah, man, I did run into one thing though. One of the sides had a little short in it, you know what I'm saying? So I was moving them around and it kind of light was kind of blinking on and off. We gonna see how that rock as I open and close the doors a bunch of times, if it's gonna go in, if it's gonna go out, all that type of stuff. But if so, they so cheap, you can just order, you know what I mean, order another one. So we gonna see what happened with that. But I like it, man. I think it's a real dope mod. If you like it, let me know what's up. You know what I mean? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come gang, you know what I'm saying? We gonna sign out straight like that, though. If you don't know what it is, you better act like it's your boy Business and this gang banging media. And we signing out. 2Ks.